Welcome to Format, the platform designed for creatives. Format offers two solutions for selling your work online, the Format Store and Format Prints Marketplace. The key difference between these options is the idea of self-fulfillment versus auto-fulfillment through our printing partners. Using one or both of these e-commerce solutions, Format members can sell a wide array of products, digital downloads, and services. The Format Store tool allows you the flexibility of self-fulfillment of products, meaning that you can sell existing inventory. This is a great option for creatives who want to sell unique products like pottery, paintings, and analog prints. The Format Store also allows you to sell services or digital downloads directly from your website. The store operates in connection to your business PayPal account, allowing you to seamlessly accept payments from around the globe. Within your store product listings, you can sell physical products for items like prints, paintings, and sculptures, digital downloads, or a service. With physical products, you can add images and descriptions, as well as to create a drop-down menu for product variables. This allows you to specify a unique quantity, details, and price on each product option. You also have the option to add shipping for your product. Here you can set the shipping cost for national, international, or select countries that you ship to regularly. Unlike other online selling services, there are no fees and commissions on the Format Store. This allows you to keep 100% of the profits from sales. Format Store allows creatives a great independent way to earn income from their practice. Format also offers Prints Marketplace. With Marketplace, Format and our suppliers handle the printing of digital, photo-based products and ship these directly to your clients from our production facilities. This means you don't have to worry about stocking inventory and shipping items. Prints Marketplace operates in connection to your Stripe account to collect payment. On your Marketplace dashboard, you can see at a glance an overview of activity on your products, sales, and earnings. Under the Listings tab, you can create your product listings. Similar to a physical product on the Format Store, you can add images and descriptions to your product. But then, Marketplace has a wide variety of products, sizes, and finishes you can select, which your uploaded image can be printed on. There are no upfront costs associated with Prints Marketplace. Format charges a small commission, between 5 and 15% depending on your subscription level. We provide the breakdown of the production costs and then you set the price. This gives full transparency and control over your profits. At any time, you can click the View Listings tab to see your live profile on Prints Marketplace. Marketplace also has the added benefit of being connected to a community of other creatives selling their work. This means that your profile on Marketplace is searchable by clients who are looking for original prints online. By listing your work on Marketplace, the power of Format's web presence is behind all members selling work, not only to your existing audience, but opening it up to our international community. If you ever need help selling your work online, our customer experience team is available to you 24/7 to help. You can also access Format's library of help articles for guides on any of the tools on your Format website. Thanks for using Format.